How is artificial intelligence changing the game for digital marketers? That's the question on every marketer's mind as we traverse this ever-evolving digital landscape. The intersection of AI and digital marketing is a fascinating one, brimming with untapped potential. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to learn and analyze patterns, is proving to be a game changer. It's paving the way for more personalized, targeted, and efficient marketing strategies. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can predict future trends, understand intricate consumer behaviors, and deliver real-time insights. And it's not just about the big picture. AI is also transforming the nitty-gritty aspects of digital marketing, from optimizing pay-per-click campaigns to enhancing customer experience. The implications are vast and the potential immense. As the digital world continues to evolve, the synergy between AI and digital marketing is set to redefine the rules of engagement. Stay tuned as we delve into some real-world cases of how AI is revolutionizing digital marketing. Remember when creating engaging content was solely a human task? Well, not anymore. The advent of artificial intelligence has revolutionized the realm of content creation. Let's take a look at some case studies. Tools like Quill and Wordsmith have emerged as game changers. These AI-powered platforms automate the creation of news stories, taking vast amounts of data and transforming it into readable content. Imagine the tedious task of sifting through spreadsheets for hours trying to find a narrative. Now, it's as simple as feeding data into these tools, and voila, you have an engaging story. Quill, for instance, has been used by Forbes to generate earnings reports, while Wordsmith has been creating thousands of news stories for the Associated Press. These tools are not here to replace human creativity, but to complement it. What used to take hours now takes minutes. AI has made content creation faster and more efficient, thereby freeing up human resources for strategic tasks. How can AI help you understand your customers better? Let's dive into the fascinating world of customer segmentation. With the help of AI, businesses are now capable of slicing and dicing their customer data into more precise segments than ever before. It's like having a superpowered microscope that can zoom in on the tiniest details, revealing patterns and trends that wouldn't be visible to the naked eye. Consider the case of a global e-commerce giant. By leveraging AI, they were able to analyze vast amounts of customer data, identifying patterns of behavior that allowed them to group their customers into highly specific segments. This, in turn, enabled the creation of targeted marketing campaigns that resonated with each segment, driving engagement and sales like never before. So you see, AI doesn't just help businesses understand their customers better, it transforms that understanding into actionable insights, which can be used to create more effective marketing strategies. AI enables marketers to understand their customers on a deeper level and tailor their strategies accordingly. Can AI predict the future of your marketing campaigns? A question that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's the reality of today. Artificial intelligence has made a significant impact in the realm of predictive analysis, a tool that marketers are finding increasingly indispensable. Let's take a peek into how some companies are leveraging AI for predictive analysis. For instance, Netflix, a company we're all familiar with, uses AI to predict what its viewers might want to watch next. It does this by analyzing past viewing habits, ratings, and even the time a viewer spends on certain genres. This helps Netflix recommend shows that keep its viewers hooked. Similarly, Amazon uses AI to predict consumer buying behavior. By analyzing past purchases, browsing history, and time spent on certain products, Amazon can suggest items that a customer is likely to buy. These are just a couple of examples, but the potential is immense. By predicting future trends, AI helps marketers stay ahead of the curve. As we've seen, AI is already making a big impact in digital marketing. But what does the future hold? The possibilities are fascinating and seemingly endless. We can anticipate a future where AI is more deeply integrated into every aspect of digital marketing, from content creation to customer segmentation, and predictive analysis. Imagine AI tools that can create content not just for blogs, but for all mediums, from video scripts to podcast outlines. Imagine AI that doesn't just segment customers, but predicts their behavior and tailors marketing strategies accordingly. However, it's not all smooth sailing. There will be challenges to navigate, such as ethical considerations around data usage and privacy, and the need for human oversight to prevent AI missteps. Moreover, as AI becomes more prevalent, the digital marketing landscape will become more competitive, requiring marketers to continually innovate and adapt. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay.